Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop the members from sending messages to your Discord server. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up one of my servers on Discord, this one, and then you can choose your channel that you want to stop the members from sending messages to, and I'm going to choose this channel, and then we can go to the setting right here and go to permissions, and here you will be able to stop your members to send message. Okay, and here you can disable this option. I'm going to click on this X button. Okay, so the members can't send messages to my channel and also to the thread. Okay, and then don't forget to click on save changes. Okay guys, and that's how you can stop the members from sending messages to your Discord server. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.